Hi there, today we're going to learn about how to add a border around the product in our Wix Studio website. So here I am in the home page of my website right here. So we will just go to the category page so that we have the different products displayed. And then once we're here, we just need to choose the category page. So I'll just select a layer. Right click, select a layer, click on category page, click on settings, click on settings again, and then choose the image hover effect, and then we'll just click on the border effect. So you can see like some borders right here that is displayed since we have the border effect. But once we want to test this out, we just click on the preview button. So now that we are in our website, and then now we'll just wait for it to load properly, and then right there, and then now whenever I hover my mouse around a specific product, for example like that, we already have our border effect once we hover on that specific product. Well, that's basically it for having a border effect around your products in Wix Studio. If you want to have different options, you can just again go here, and if you want to have a zoom effect and swap image, you can do that as well. And that's all for this video, and thank you for watching.